Okay, princess, get over there. Okay, guys, come on. Okay, guys, slowpoke, get over here.
Okay, what do you even want to show us?
What, Jack? Yoshi? I don't know. Like, I honestly don't know. We got to play board games.
What are you talking about, board games?
Get out of here.
I'm not getting out of here, Jack. You know,
No, Yellowbird, not right now. Not right now, Yellowbird.
why? Why not right now? Why not right now? What's so
Not
good
in
about
front
this?
of my friends.
Stupid Yoshi.
Hey, don't talk to my friend.
You stupid Jack. Come on, we
Wait,
be
Jack.
friends.
Jack. Okay, Yellowbird.
Oh.
Ow! You hurt me, Jack.
I don't care, Charmander.
You hurt Jack.
Charmander, I have to show you something. Charmander, there's some weird freaking thing over there. I have to show you it.
What is it? My gosh, what, Yellowbird? Like, what do you want?
To be honest, Charmander,
What?
it was just a rat, okay? I'm scared of rats.
It's a stupid rat. You
Yes!
wasted my time for a stupid rat.
Yes. Okay, you're gonna help me with this rat problem, or else.
No, Yellowbird.
Charmander!
I don't want to be made of banana stick.
What the heck? Charmander! No! Oh my gosh! I saw him going here! Yep, this is totally where he went. DK's hideout. Stands for Donkey Kong's hideout. I'm so smart. I know math. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to go in there. For justice! What the freak is this? It's like so magical. Where am I? What the heck is that?
I know this is kind of weird how I'm being kidnapped, Yellowbird, but can you please help me? Please, 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 Yellowbird.
Charmander? Is that your unperfectness? You got kidnapped by Donkey Kong? Wow, Charmander, you're so pathetic. Oh, whatever. I still have to save you, though. Wait, it's my time to become a superhero! Yellowbird Man to the rescue!
No! Haha! You're not gonna get your stupid friend Charmander back! Guess where he's going? My Tommy! Ha ha! You!
Charmander, don't worry! I'm gonna take down his gorilla butt! Right, I'm at the ladder now. A barrel! What? I got points for that? But I could've died! Oh well. Moving on. What's creepy? Oh! Another ladder! Oh well. Yeah. That was pretty easy than I thought. Ooh, another ladder right there just to make everything more easy for Yellowbird. Because I'm perfect. Oh, a barrel! Ooh, more points. Gotta keep my score. Okay, gotta go up this ladder. Yeah. Okay, I'm up that ladder. The other ladder. Yeah. Alright, I'm up this ladder. Are you kidding me? No. You gotta be kidding me. A broken freaking ladder? Oh my gosh. What else? What else could be new in this game? A barrel! Ooh, points. Gotta keep my score. Oh well, you have to walk all the way over there. No, I ain't. Oh my gosh, why is that stupid dumb bird not dying for my barrels? Freaking annoying. Oh, the last ladder. Well, at least tell him where Charmander is. Okay, gotta go up this ladder. A barrel! More points. Gotta keep my score. Charmander, do not worry. I can see you. I'm almost there. Okay. Just gotta go up this ladder. No. I went up so many ladders down there, Charmander. You wouldn't even believe how many ladders were down there.
The whole thing.
I know you did. I am not going up this ladder. I am my feathers are getting so tired. You know what? My perfectness has an idea.
Yellow Bear, no.
What if I just jump up here?
Oh my gosh, Yellow Bear, no.
Okay. Let's do this!
Oh my gosh, what an idiot.
Wait. Hold on a minute. I can literally just fly up there. I mean, I have wings. Okay, let's go. Woo! Charmander! I flew up here! Charmander, come on! Okay, Charmander, come on! Ooh. Charmander, that was actually a fun ride. Charmander, look, it's the same pipe!
Wow!
Let's go in it.
Wait, that's the same pipe you took me in.
Yeah, I know. That's how I got here, Charmander.
Let me go in it.
Wait for me!
Wait, guys! We didn't even have cookies yet! No!
Oh well. More for me. Charmander! What's wrong with you?
I almost had a heart attack, Yellow Bear.
Don't you think I almost had a heart attack? Why did you let Donkey Kong grab you?
It was your fault for telling me to go over there.
No. Oh yeah. No, Charmander. It was because I'm scared of rats. You gotta admit, they're pretty creepy.
No.
What's that doing over there?
I want it.
No! Charmander! That was Mario!
Delicious.
One ups.